looks sound asleep. It's a feather from a ghost chicken. I can't find a ticklish spot on his body. It's a bottle of ghost grog. I think I'd rather save it.
What be that noise? Strange places, strange noises. Who dares to enter the cabin of the ghost pirate LeChuck? You'd better fear!
I better leave him alone.
What was that?
He looks sound asleep. They look like chickens. It's locked tight. Must be something important down there. I don't see anything special about it. Well, except that big glowing voodoo anti-root inside. Gross, look at the meat.
What be that noise? Strange places, strange noises.
I think I'd rather save it. It's got little wriggling blue hairs in it. Looks like Monkey Island. That doesn't seem to work. I don't see anything special about it. When you set sail for good value, all winds blow towards stands. Warning: contains strong magnet which may interfere with other navigational equipment. It's locked. I'm not going near that monster rat. It's an empty dish. It's a vat of cooking grease. Ugh, it's all over my hands. This should stop it from squeaking. I don't want to wake him up unless I have some of that anti-ghost potion to defend myself with. He's asleep. It's a feather. I don't want to wake him up unless I have some of that anti-ghost potion to defend myself with. Oh, good, more inventory. I don't want to wake him up unless I have some of that anti-ghost potion to defend myself with. This should do it. I can't pick that up. I'll just grab this old root and be on my way.
A long walk, a brief row, and a short hike later.
I did it! I got the root!
Wow! Look, he's not kidding. Here it is.
He's not such a wimp after all.
Come on, let's go make the brew of the fermented root. Wait here. We'll be right back.
I'd love to have you stuffed. I'd make a fortune.
There it is.
One squirt of that stuff and the ectoplasm really hits the fan.
And if you have any left over, it's delicious with a little vanilla ice cream. Good luck!
Thanks.
After some more furious paddling,
You scared me half to death!
What happened to the ship?
They all left for the wedding.
What wedding?
LeChuck is marrying the governor of Melee Island.
What? But how will they... Where's the wedding?
There's a lovely church on Melee Island. They're headed there.
Melee Island? Oh no. Why are you still here?
My head fell into the lava there, and I had to chase after it. And when I came back, they had gone. Shame, too. I hate to miss the wedding.
I've got to go after them. I've got to stop that wedding.
Bye! Bob!
you doing here?
Oh, I missed the boat to the wedding.
Hey! No problem! We can take mine! Let's go!
Hey, you have a ship?
Yep!
If you have a ship, why are you waiting to be rescued?
Why, heck, if you're stranded, you've got to be rescued. Says so in the rules.
Will you take me to Melee Island?
I'll lend you my ship if you promise to rescue me with it.
Okay.
Well, let's go!
Well, that certainly was easier than the trip to Monkey Island. I wonder where Toothrot's gone to now. Now I'll have to stop the wedding by myself. The church is the other way. Yikes.
Hey! Wait a second!
Could I interest you in some root beer, sir?
Root beer? Oh boy! I love root beer!
Cool.
Excuse me. Do you have an invitation to the wedding?
No, but I have this deadly magic root beer. This stuff's great. Watch out, LeChuck. There's a new sheriff in town and his name... Hey, I better get to the church.
If there be any man with reason that these two people should not be united in blissful matrimony, let him speak now or forever hold his peace.
Stop the wedding!
Hey! Who's that?
You!
Take this, you vaporous voodoo vermin!
Take what? Are you trying to bribe me?
Governor!
Governor!
Governor?
What's going on?
Oh, Guybrush, you mad fool! I'm impressed you came to rescue me, but it really wasn't necessary. I had everything well in hand. Unfortunately, your arrival has made it necessary for me to tip my hand early.
How? Who?
How did you manage to escape?
Oh, that was easy. LeChucky's a bozo.
Hey!
And lots of his crew members were friends of mine when they were alive.
If you're here, then who's that in the dress? What?
Oh, don't scare them! They have my ghost-zapping root beer bottle.
Oh, I'll get it! Oops.
Nice going, Guybrush. Now I've got to chase them down to get my voodoo root beer back.
But... Hey!
You dared come here and confront me? I can't believe your audacity.
Well, I can't believe your stupidity.
Yeah? Well, I can't believe your frivolity.
Well, I can't believe your enormity.
Yeah? Well, I can't believe your mobility.
Well, I can't believe your atrocity.
Yeah? Well, I can't believe your fragility.
Well, I can't believe your alacrity.
Ah, I grow tired of you.
Say now, let's not be hasty. Ah! Oh! Oh! Oh!
Good to see you, son. How's the ship? If you're interested in trading up, I can give you a fair price for it. Howdy, partner. You know, just by looking at you, I can tell you're a man of the world. A man with an eye for quality. A man who knows a good bargain when he...
It doesn't seem to open.
Hey!
Yikes! Oh, don't sneak up on me like that.
Sorry.
That's okay. You know, LeChuck was a deviant, obnoxious, slithery, creepy, crawly sort of a guy, but I'll say one thing for him.
What's that?
He sure looks nice exploding against the night sky.
Yes, it's very romantic. Can I buy you a root beer?
Sure. There's more at Stan's. Oh, gosh, I hope Stan's okay. I wish my crew could have seen this.
You know, I can't shake the feeling that Guybrush was somehow responsible for that big rock sinking the ship.
Yeah. As soon as we find a way off this island, we're gonna have ourselves a little chat with Mr. Threepwood.
Let's get out of this hut first.
Yeah, at least I learned something from all this.
What's that?
Never pay more than $20 for a computer game.
A what?
I don't know. Not sure why I said that.